If you've been scrolling online for affordable yet stylish jewelry, chances are you've come across Cali Tiger, a brand that's been popping up a lot on Instagram and TikTok. But the big question is CaliTiger.com a legit store or just another scam? Let's dig into what we found. Cali Tiger is an online jewelry brand that specializes in 18K gold-plated, waterproof, and hypoallergenic pieces, from necklaces and earrings to bracelets and rings. On the surface, the brand looks impressive. They've been around since 2017, have built a massive following of over 250K on Instagram, and their social media presence is active and engaging. They also offer multiple contact options, which is usually a good sign when it comes to customer support. Their jewelry is marketed as durable, tarnish-resistant, and hypoallergenic, so for anyone with sensitive skin, that definitely sounds appealing. But here's where things start to look less shiny. On Trustpilot, Cali Tiger has a rating of just 2.4 stars, with many customers complaining about missing orders, shipping delays, and trouble getting refunds. While some people do praise the jewelry quality, others say their orders never arrived at all. Another red flag is the reviews on their own website. Almost every single one is a perfect 5 stars, which feels a little too good to be true. Realistically, no brand satisfies every customer, so seeing nothing but glowing reviews makes you question if they're completely genuine. I walked through everything myself, from browsing their site to checking social media feedback, and the results are a mix. On one hand, Cali Tiger has longevity, a real presence online, and products that people genuinely seem to like. On the other hand, there are enough negative reviews to make you pause before hitting that checkout button. So overall, Cali Tiger is not a clear scam, but it's also not a brand you can trust 100% blindly. If you're thinking of ordering, just know the risks before you buy.